Very good morning, children. Today we are going to learn another activity, that is oxygen is liberated during the photosynthesis. Means whenever the green plants kept under the sunlight by using water, they liberate the oxygen, they release the oxygen. That we are going to prove it. Aim of this experiment is to prove that oxygen is liberated during photosynthesis, or to prove that oxygen is liberated when green plants are kept under the sunlight. Here, what are the apparatus we need? See here: beaker, thistle funnel, test tube, hydrilla twigs. Hydrilla is a aquatic plant. Hydrilla is a aquatic plant. It is also known as Elodea plant also. Elodea plant. And then water. Next, incense sticks. Incense sticks means agarbatti sticks. We use daily in our houses, no? That one. Or any candle are the apparatus we need to prove this. Next one, precautions. We are using glassware, no? We are using glass beaker, glass test tube we are using. So we have to take care that they should not break. Means take care while using the glassware. And then whatever the chemicals we are taking, that should not be tasted. Next one, here we have to take only aquatic plant, means water plant only we have to take. Why we selected hydrilla plant? It is water plant, and also it lives only in water. It is very small, very convenient to the experiment. These are the precautions. What is the procedure we need to follow? See here. First we have to take a thistle funnel. We have to keep small hydrilla twigs inside. We have to place it in a beaker reversely and fill the beaker up to 3/4 of water. Means we have to fill the beaker, 3/4 of the beaker should be filled with water. Next one, take a glass test tube and fill it water. Place it on the stem of the thistle funnel. Reversely we have to place it. You leave this entire apparatus in sunlight for some time. After some time, what will you observe? What is your observation? We'll see here. A gas bubbles are releasing from the thistle funnel mouth. So, and also we will see bottom of the test tube, there is some colorless gas we can see. So what is happened here? When green plants are kept under the sunlight by using water, by breaking the water molecule, they release the oxygen. We don't know whether the gas which is released from this activity is oxygen. Just we are assuming, we don't know practically. To do that, or to prove that, we have to take one candle which is lightened, or incense stick. Incense stick means, you know, this agarbatti. It is also should be burned. Okay. So you take one candle and you make it settle at one place. Then bring this test tube which is settled invertedly. So by keeping the finger on the mouth of the test tube like this, we have to take it, and it should be placed very near to the candle which is burning. So whenever gas is released from the test tube, the candle vigorous, it burns vigorously, it lightens vigorously, means more actively it shows the light. We know that which gas burns the materials, or which gas is useful for burning of the materials? Oxygen. So by estimating this, we can say that oxygen is released from the green plants when they are kept under the sunlight. Okay, up to here I am stopping, children. Thank you.